guys, welcome to my channel, Dylan here. For today's video, I'm gonna reveal you my best secret about my hair routine. So many people asked about me, how do I maintain my nice and straight shiny hair? So this time I'm gonna reveal it to you. Here's my best secret. It's the best is this one. It's the Creamsilk pink one. It said here the ultimate straight ultra conditioner, and the second one is the coconut oil. I used to do this twice a week. This conditioner I used it every time I do shower, but this two I called it hot oil. So I'm gonna warm this up, I'm gonna warm the oil, and I'm gonna put some conditioner. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it and all the procedure. So this is the procedure, guys. I got the stove on. I gotta put a little saucepan there and grab a spoon and make sure you're not gonna put a lot of oil, but it depends how thick and how long your hair is. I put the oil already, guys. As you can see, it's starting to smoke. I only put 2 spoons because it's a big spoon. I'm sure it's enough for my hair. So now I'm gonna put the Creamsilk on it. That's enough. Give it a good stir and take it out in the stove and just give it a good stir. I love the smell. So yeah, just like that. And then wait till it's cooled down a little bit. That's the mixture now, guys. As you can see, it's nice and cooled down now. So I'm gonna just start applying it to my hair. Before you apply the mixture of coconut oil and the conditioner, make sure you got a hair cup with you, because after you apply it, you need to put your hair cup and leave it for 1 to 2 hours. So we'll start putting it from our roots down to the bottom. So just get some and put it in your palm or whatever you want to do. Put it from top, roots, and give it a good massage and bring it down. Make sure you put evenly. My hair cup on and I leave it sit for 2 hours before I'm gonna have a shower. And to those people who don't know about this stuff, the Creamsilk conditioner, this conditioner, you can only get this in the Filipino shop. Like me, I'm in UK, so I only get this any Filipino shop here. Wherever you are, you can see this in the grocery shop or shopping center, because this is only made in Asia. And conditioner got different sort of color. This one is the pink one. This is the new formula of pink, and this is for straight hair, because it said here it's a triple keratin ultra conditioner, ultimate straight. As I remember, they got green is anti split ends, I'm pretty sure. And then the red one is if you have a hair color, and I don't know what else. Pink one works perfect to me because I got really long hair And I've been using this since I'm teenager and really since I'm little, because my mom used to let me use this one. So until now, yeah, this is really my best secret, and I can have a shower without this. And I recommend as well, if you go to have a shower, and especially if you wash your hair, don't ever use hot water, because hot water is gonna make your hair dry. And cut down using hair straightener or hair iron, hair dryer, stuff that's gonna ruin your hair. For me myself, I only use them, especially hair iron and hair dryer. I only use them occasional, but I'm just at home. I just leave my hair dryings on and I never touch them because I know it's gonna ruin my hair. Every time you use it, you can feel the changes of your hair. Even you use like heating spray or what you call it, it's still gonna ruin your hair. So yeah, that's my secret. Hi guys, just freshen up from the shower, and I'm gonna show you what the shampoo I'm using and oil. This is the shampoo I've been using. It's Argan oil, and the oil as well is Vitress. I love this one because this just makes your hair natural looking and straight. I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like. If you can see. So yeah, that's my simple hair routine. Thanks for watching guys. Please hit like if you enjoyed this video. Bye for now. Bye.